It's time once again for The Law and You. Joining us today, we have attorneys at Ciarimboli and Greg Fellerman. So nice to see you both.
Haley, we are, very excited that pretty soon we'll be back in the studio
We,
doing
we
this.
can't wait for that, but we're so glad that you were able to join us throughout this pandemic because many legal issues have come up during this pandemic, like this viewer who sent in this question. We have Manny in Scranton saying, "My father was in a nursing home and was exposed to COVID-19 and died. What are my rights?"
Mandy, it's honestly, we're not sure right now. These cases are really, they're evolving. I mean, there's questions whether the nursing homes are going to have immunity, questions really surrounding what the state knew about the outbreak of COVID in nursing homes and whether the state did enough, to make sure the testing was being done, whether the nursing homes, what culpability do they have as well? Because yeah, I mean, unfortunately, a lot of these nursing facilities are owned by big corporations that are, out of state corporations, and they have nursing homes all over the country. So, I mean, we've been looking at these cases. We find it very hard to believe that the nursing homes, are just going to be able to take a position. Wow, we don't have any responsibility at all, especially considering that the largest percentage of these cases have stemmed from nursing homes.
Well, and then the other thing is if the legislature who's considering it, I mean, when they vote, and let's say they do vote for immunity, I have to question them, like, how can they, ignore their elderly constituents who may have been in these nursing homes? I don't necessarily know if that's the right position to take. I think those people need the most protection. We've been saying that for years. So, I mean, we understand it's a pandemic, but I mean, I think there's a lot of things that have to be balanced out with this. And at the end of the day, I mean, people need to be protected. So
No question. And then you have to, ask yourself, like, why was there an outbreak in a nursing home, but not an outbreak somewhere else? I mean, what's the real root cause, of this issue that the outbreak is in nursing home? Is it a sanitation issue or, a cleansing issue in the nursing home? Yeah, I think there's a lot of questions that have to be answered.
And to continue the conversation, all you have to do is pick up the phone, give them a call. You can find more with The Law on You at pahomepage.com.